To my YouTube channel Learn with Ankita. So I hope guys you all are safe. So this is the second video of chapter number 2, acid bases and salts. In this video we are going to cover the topics chemical properties of acids and bases. So without wasting any time, let's start our video. First of all, we are going to react the acids and bases with the metal. So first of all, when acid reacts with the metal, it always forms salt and the hydrogen gas is being released. Okay, whenever the acid reacts with the metal, that is any metal you can take it, right? Then it always forms a salt and the hydrogen gas is being released. Right, if I take the example over here, let me take hydrochloric acid, right, which is a very strong acid, right, and I take zinc to be as a metal, right. When they both react with each other, then zinc chloride is being formed, which is a salt, and hydrogen gas is being released. So this was the example. Whenever the acid reacts with the metal, whichever metal, it will form a salt. Also hydrogen gas will be released. So these were the products which were being formed, that is salt and the hydrogen gas. Now let's move on to the reaction of bases with the metal. Okay, whenever a base react with a metal, then it always forms salt and hydrogen. Okay, the products that are salt and hydrogen are same in the acids also and bases also, right? But salt always differ, right? Salts will be formed, but different types of salts will be formed, right? Now if I take the example over here, sodium hydroxide, which is a base, and let me take zinc to be as a metal. When they both come in contact with each other, or they both interact with each other, they form sodium zincate, right? When sodium hydroxide and zinc react with each other, they form sodium zincate and the hydrogen gas is released. So these were the products basically formed over here. So I hope that all these things are clear to you. Now let's move on to the another topic, that is testing of hydrogen gas. Okay, now here the gas was which was being released in the equations which we formed. Okay, now we are going to test that particular hydrogen gas, right? So first of all, if I do that particular reaction, like if I take hydrochloric acid and I react that hydrochloric acid with the zinc, then the hydrochloric acid, when reacts with the zinc, they will start forming a salt, which is the zinc chloride, and the hydrogen gas will be released. Okay, the hydrogen gas will be released in the form of the bubbles, right? So I'll light a candle and I'll take that candle and I'll make a contact between the bubbles and the lighted candle, then the pop sound will be produced, right? So this was the testing of the hydrogen gas. When the lighted candle comes in the contact with the hydrogen gas, that is the bubbled form gas, then they start producing pop sound. Okay, so now let's move on to the another topic, that is the reaction of metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate with the acids and the bases. So first of all, if the acid reacts with the metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, salt is being formed, carbon dioxide gas is being released, and water is also produced, right? If I talk about the acid reacting with metal carbonate or metal hydrogen carbonate, what are being produced over here? Water is being produced, carbon dioxide gas is being released, also the salt is being formed. Okay, So let's take the example over here. Right, if I take the example over here, first of all, let me take the example of metal carbonate. Then in the another example, I'll take metal hydrogen carbonate. So first of all, if I talk about the acid over here, acid, let's react this thing with the acid, right? First of all, I told this reaction is in the contact with the acid, right? So if I take acid, that would be hydrochloric acid, which is a very strong acid. When it reacts with the metal carbonate, right? The first example will be of the metal carbonate, right? When the acid, that is the hydrochloric acid, which reacts with the metal carbonate, that is the sodium carbonate. Okay, so the product side will be of the salts, and carbon dioxide gas will be released. Also water will be formed, right? So when hydrochloric acid reacts with the sodium carbonate, right, then the products formed are sodium chloride, right, and then carbon dioxide is formed and the water is also being formed over here. So this was the reaction where I have taken the metal carbonate, right. Over here metal carbonate is the sodium carbonate, right, and next reaction next equation which you can see on the screen, the next example basically, over here I have taken the metal hydrogen carbonate, right. So you can see the equation on the screen. You can write this particular example whenever they'll ask in the exams, right. So now let's test the carbon dioxide gas. Okay, so let me take calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide when reacts with the carbon dioxide, right, it starts forming calcium carbonate and water, right. It starts forming calcium carbonate and water, right. When the excess amount of carbon dioxide is being produced, then this reaction occurs, which is on the screen, right. When excess amount of carbon dioxide is being produced, then the reaction which is on the screen takes place. So this was the testing of carbon dioxide. So this was only the video. If you liked my video, do like, comment, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. For more updates, do hit the bell icon.